Hi, students. Now that you are done with the literature review, we need to turn our attention to the next assignment. The next assignment will be an informative research essay. Now, we need to do some planning before we get that far. So we have two assignments that will help you plan for the informative research essay. One is a discussion board called the Synthesis Analysis Discussion Board, and the other is an assignment. You will be filling out a worksheet on comparing author perspectives. You are still using the same topic, by the way. In the literature review, you found two articles or sources to use, and in these next few assignments, you're finding two additional articles or sources, but they need to be on the same topic. So you are not switching topics at this point. You are sticking with the same topic and learning more about that topic and deepening your understanding of it. So you will be reading through the course materials this week on reviewing research, synthesizing sources, and then getting organized so that you can plan your essay. The discussion board will ask you to find two new articles for your topic, read them, and evaluate them to make sure that they pass the CRAP test. You do not need to fill out a CRAP test worksheet. Just in your mind, you should think about the CRAP test criteria and make certain that both new articles pass the CRAP test in terms of currency, relevance, accuracy, authority, and purpose. But you don't have to write anything about that. Once you know that you have two quality articles to use, you will answer these questions. What is your synthesis question? And is there a common opinion on your topic? What patterns do you notice? So at this point, you will have read 4 articles, 2 from the literature review assignment, and now 2 new ones. Then you should review what your classmates are working on, read through their answers, and then you will answer these questions about background information, what was interesting, and if you can think of other potential viewpoints or opinions. Once you complete that discussion board, or really simultaneously, you can be working on the assignment, comparing author perspectives. So once you have those 2 new articles, you will be filling out this organizer. So you will click on this link and you will be asked to make a copy of the Google Doc. And then you will save it to your own Google Drive and start answering the questions. You will see that you need to show what your 2 new sources are, including the links to the articles, authors, year of publications, and so on. You will be coming up with some guiding questions that both sources attempt to answer. And then you will write a paragraph using academic research to explain what you've learned about the topic in general and how your 2 different articles attempt to answer questions about that topic. How are they similar? How are they different? And so on. I know that sounds like a lot, so we have actually included 2 samples for you to look at. By looking at these 2 samples, you can get a sense of how other students have tackled this assignment, what kinds of questions they came up with, how they used in-text citations and a good use of attributive tags and narrative citations to explain how the information helps them learn more about their topic. So there's a sample on binge watching, and then there's a sample on the topic of dark tourism. So both of these samples should really help guide you and hopefully explain how much detail you should go into. I can promise you that by doing a good job on both the discussion board and the Comparing Authors Perspectives worksheet, you will have a much easier time when it comes to writing the informative research essay.